17 right via Hotel Ace 3. Alright, man, you excited? Alright, you gotta talk into your mic for me and make sure that I can hear you alright. Check, check, check.
You hear me, Ahmed?
Yep, I've got you good.
Okay.
Alright.
Anderson ground, Archer 167, clear to 17 right at Hotel. Taxi to row 5.
Archer 167, Henderson ground, take straight ahead to the ramp.
Straight ahead to the ramp 167.
Alright, we're going to do a quick run-up, make sure everything is running good, and then we'll go ahead and take off. Alright, canopy secured and locked, throttle forward, mixture full forward, boost pump on. Bending on the wing tank, anchor tank full in the green.
Anderson Tower, Ace 1 holding short at 35 right, 17 right, looking for the left.
Ace 1, Henderson Tower, cross, runway 17 right at taxiway Hotel, hold short at runway 17 left.
Cross 17 right, hold short 17 left, Ace 1.
Ace 1, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff, left turn out southeast bend approved.
17 left, clear for takeoff, Ace 1.
And Tower Ace 3 holding short 17 right at Hotel, ready for takeoff.
Ace 3, Henderson Tower, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff, southeast bend approved.
Clear for takeoff, 17 right, Ace 3. Alright, brother, here we go. Feet off the pedals.
Let's go.
Look to your left.
Yeah.
Look left. Look at the other airplane on the left. Look to the left. Alright, we're going to go upside down real quick. You ready? Woo! Give me a thumbs up! Woohoo!
Oh!
Beautiful. Alright, let's go with some aileron rolls. Alright, so here we go. Here comes the first maneuver.
Okay.
So we're going to come up, and we're going to go over to the left.
Oh!
Alright, you ready? Your controls, you fly.
I fly?
You fly. Your controls, so listen to what I say. Pull back a little bit. Pull back. Pull back like this. Pull.
Yeah?
Yep. Now go to the left. Left.
Yeah?
Left. Left. There you go.
Oh!
There you go. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Go left. It's your controls. You're flying. All right. My
Alright, A-flight, barrel roll left.
My controls.
A-flight, barrel roll left.
All right. My controls. My turn. So we're gonna come up.
Okay.
Over to the left.
Oh! Oh!
Oh yeah. Bravo, turn left.
All right. You ready? Your controls. Your turn.
Up.
Yep. Up. Pull up and now left.
Oh!
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Oh yeah.
All right. My controls.
Ah! Oh!
These guys are good for it. Let me know when you got the speed for a loop.
All right. All right. My controls. We're gonna go ahead and do a loop.
Okay.
All right. 3 is ready.
Alright, let's go.
All right. So the loop, you just pull straight back like this. Pull, 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 pull.
Oh!
Look over the top, and this is where we relax. And then you pull, 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 pull. All right, you ready to give it a try?
Bravo's turn.
All right, your turn. Ready? Your controls. All right, push the nose down. Down first. Down. We need more speed. Down, 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 down. All right, I'll tell you when. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Pull back. Pull, 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 pull. Harder, harder. Harder, 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 harder. There you go. Keep going. Pull, pull, pull. Keep going back.
No!
Keep it coming back.
No!
These guys are killing it.
Yeah!
All right, good job.
Overhead, recover north, opposite direction.
Roger that. All right, my controls, my turn. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Look to the left.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh yeah.
All right, you want to give it a
Let's
try?
go Bravo's turn, south, opposite direction.
You ready?
It's hard to do it. I can't.
You sure?
Yeah, to do it.
All right, look. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, up.
Traffic.
Oh! Oh!
Alright, just roll out east.
Okay. East.
And I'm coming up at your 6 o'clock. Good, roll out there. In place 90 left, you're cleared line abreast right. Alright, time to amp it up a little bit. You visual?
Yeah, gotcha.
Copy, let's go tail slide, same direction.
All right. Here we go. You ready?
Ready?
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You want to try that one?
Turn, same direction.
I don't know how to do.
You don't know how? Okay, no worries. Let's do it again.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Good, right?
Yeah, very nice. Perfect.
And three's blind.
30 degrees left. Go straight towards the ridge, and you're cleared to tumble on visual.
All right, you ready for the fun stuff?
Yeah.
All right, hold on tight for this one. All right, we're getting ready to tumble. Going to build a little smash and send her around.
Copy that. We'll watch it.
Here we go. Woohoo!
Dang, look at Ahmed. All right, 90 degrees left.
90 left.
All right, we're off your left.